Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever part of the world you are. Myself, Dr. Parrakal Satishchandra Menon, and I am a professor at Alliance University, Bangalore, India. And uh, my session objective is to how the strategy of learning to be used in order to bring the education in par with industry so that students will be industry ready after the education. We focus in our university mostly on the the uh, uh, the job part, that is when the student will come out of the final semester, he should be able to get the job, and we have lined up with so many interviews for the students so that uh, the companies or the industries who are coming and pick up our students, they are delighted to take our students. That's why we make our students as industry ready. So session objective is how the strategy of learning to be used in order to bring the education in par with the industry so that students will be industry ready after the education. So we at Alliance University prepare our students for higher learning and for placement readiness, or for making them as entrepreneurs as entrepreneurs. Once the students enter at first semester, we train them extensively for LDP, Learning and Development Program. Here we give classes extensively in capsule mode, typically for 2 hours per session in various topics in marketing, finance, operations, and human resource management. These are the basically more of our the subjects which is predominantly in our university. So here I am a full-time professor in operations management in the School of Business, and I have also taken a LDP, Learning and Development class for semester 1 MBA students on project management with some relevant examples across the globe. This entailed exposure to the application of PM project management in various industries. I myself is a PMP certified. Due to pandemic situation and as per the Health Ministry directive, the classes were conducted online and offline mode. Microsoft Team is the platform we use for our teaching purpose. The classes typically runs for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and the classes are recorded and can be downloaded by students anytime in the 21 days after the class is over, and they can view the recording multiple times. So the physical classes, students can write notes and they can also download the lectures. All the quiz, test, and midterm exams are conducted online for this year on the pattern of multiple choice questions and subjective questions. The midterm exam is never conducted second time, but the test and quiz can be conducted multiple times with the fresh questions for the students who miss this exam due to health or other reasons. We emphasize a lot on placement, and based on the recommendation of faculty and placement department, we have a very big department for and a lot of people are working in the placement department. And our university went into agreement with Toyota Kirloskar Motors, in short we call as TKM, at Bidadi, Bangalore, India plant. I also took the students of MBA semester 3 to Toyota Kirloskar Motor plant for a day, and where students were given exposures where a car plant looks like, what a car plant looks like, and what are the different TQM principles Toyota Motor is following, and what are the different process they are looking while manufacturing. There are also classroom sessions at Toyota Technical Institute where the students were given a situation to make a car and sell to the dealer in the most efficient manner. So it probes out the idea Toyota people wanted, that students were coming for the workshop or training there. So our students also got a chance, and since we have a MOU with them, they are given some task, and where the students are, they have to put their a lot of ideas and strategy to go for how to make a changes in the car to be more efficient, and how they can be more efficient in selling the car also, depending on what is the task they give it at that day to the students. So this has given the exposure to the students to supply chain, manufacturing, lean methods, so they can relate that to the respective subject and for the interview process, and beyond that for their jobs. So as I said, we have also signed MOU with the Toyota Kirloskar, and we have also signed MOU with the Wipro, one of the largest company here, a consulting company, for 3D printing also. So our couple of faculties went for one round of factory visit. We'll be taking the student for factory visit in Wipro 3D printing facility, where they are currently producing aircraft parts for HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, so that students will be able to understand how these aircraft parts are made in the 3D printing. So these factory visits and teaching from experts from industry will give exposure to our students in various disciplines in management studies and to the students of engineering for our university, specifically in placement and higher learning. So the idea to give this presentation was that how we are putting our thought process of the faculties in the teaching, as well as for the placement readiness through various experts from industry and for the factory visits or industry visits, and make the students ready for the market and ready for taking the job. So that is my short presentation. And I hope so in near future, I may be able to give more bigger and better presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you. Thank you to all of you. Thank you.